Learn to play. The Franklin Future Champs NHL Kids Hockey Set is perfect for teaching your little athletes how to play the sport for the first time. Easy assembly. Our Insta-Set easy fold corner joints lock into place to easily assemble or break down the goal in seconds. Set includes 2 easy fold kids hockey goals, 2 18-28 adjustable street hockey sticks for growing players, 2 knee hockey sticks, first street hockey ball and 2 foam knee hockey balls. Perfect for indoor or outdoor play. Start on your knees with some intense games of knee hockey indoors, and then bring the set outdoors to take some real shots on goal. Goal size, 24x19 by 19 inches. Top reviews from the United States. Great shinny stick set. My son loved it for his bday. Was a little unsure of my purchase based on other review. 2 days into the purchase I would do it all over again. Price for 2 nets, 3 balls, and 4 sticks was outstanding. I do agree the nets are a little flimsy and if you are super rough with them they will break, but they are lightweight and collapsible for easy pack away and storage. The sticks are definitely decent enough quality to last a while. I am very happy with this purchase, and would definitely purchase this set again if I had to redo it.